guys, here's this. I'm about to let you guys here. Here. Let's open this. Open the full things. I built some Lego cars, but I hope I don't fail this one. If I fail, I'll make a part 2. Ow! And also, see. In my side. Please. I will cut this and it's not my hair. I will edit it now. This is taking too long. Oh, it's too bad. Oh wait, yeah, some of the parts almost like came out. Hey, no, not you too. Okay, let's just build this. I know the steps. Hey, never mind. You know, we'll do that for later. The extraction. This is a small Lego set. I think I'll separate the colors for every time I build a Lego set. Let's build minifigure first. Where's my cup? This is in my baby sister's crying. I have a baby sister. Okay. I'm starting to tell all my information. So I'm not telling anymore. Okay, anyways. What's the parents of this? Because, oh my, sorry, I thought the pants was missing. Where should I put it here? Oh. Oops. I'll just put my slipper there. Okay. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, this is not. Yeah. As I was saying, but the minifigure, all I need to find is the yellow light. Oh, never mind. That was easy. We already have been 3 minutes. We already have been waiting for 3 minutes. I still haven't built this car. I think I should look at the instructions. Skip. It's all dark. Okay. Okay, now I need 2 metal parts. Ayan. Yeah, okay.
Kukuha ka na ng kari na lagyan mo sa rep na. Bukas na. Ikaw. Bukas na ako kitchen.
Okay, guys. I'm almost done now. Huh? Oh, never mind.
Reset?
Huh? I'm so confused. Oh, I I get no, never mind. Yes.
Dalawang 4.
Okay. Now what do we put down? Oh no! I just wasted minutes. Ow. What color? Oh, here. No, where do we put it? Here's my progress already, guys. Just want to show you guys. Okay. No, nice. Oh, here. Huh? No. Oh, wait, I think. I know. Probably like this. Oh, here's the police park. What? Oh, here. I thought one of the parts was missing. Ah, here. I hope I don't build this Lego set wrong. I hope I don't. I need to find a 2x2. Okay, the 2x2 are hard, so I'll find them first. No, I think I lost a part. Oh, blue, I have to find. Oh, I wasted my time for that. Oh. Okay. Okay, guys. I feel like we skipped the part. Yeah, we actually skipped the part. This part. Oh, yeah.
Oh. Ayusin mo nga yun din. Ano? Diyan nga lagay. Ano mo ba ilagay? Mawala sa bahay niya. Uy, yung sa lamesa na yun, ano yun? Yung lamesa ba pang nilipit ka?
Okay, now we're here.
Ano yung mga
I'm finally there. It's not. He knew something was fishy.
Ako din.
Okay, here's my progress again. Part 2.
Oo nga, pinutol lang niya, te.
Almost done with it. I'm halfway through the Lego set, guys.
Ha? Hindi na yung ginaganyan eh. Papi, yung ano mo na ano.
Okay. Wait. Oh! It's covered by icon. Sorry. First, I'm acting like this is Easter egg, but it's not. Wait, you guys like Easter egg? Like that season Easter egg? Or I don't know if that's a oh wait, it's not a season. The event stuff. Or not all of it. I don't know. I forgot. Okay, one by one. Found you. One more year completed. Nope. Gotcha. Okay, I'll stop you. Why did you leave? Here. Where's my dad? Black, color black.
Bakit parang hindi ko nakikita yung polvo?
Gray. What's that? No. What's that last? What's that last? I'm not sure if it's this one. If anything, I'll use even do. I hope it's correct. Red and a red and a red and a red.
Sino sa mga dati, no? Dati, ano suka?
Okay, guys.
itong bibilin. Ha? Hour ba? Hour ba? Ano talaga?
Do you want to eat it? What? Huh?
Ano? Bash yan. Karating.
Ah, here. Oh. Here. So I haven't speak for a while. So I'm speaking right now. Do you guys We're almost done now. We're already 20 minutes. I think I should be fast already. I'm wasting too much storage. Guys, I'll speedrun. Speedrun.
Kuya, let's go up na. Kuya, let's go up na, kuya.
Okay, guys, I'm almost done on rushing. I'm speed running.
Kuya, let's go.
Wait, guys. Okay, just acted fast. I'm almost talking to me. This Dominic's this way. Tell me what? Huh?
Karen, Karen,
Does this have? Oh,
Karen. Punasan mo yung video.
oh.
Legit mo. Ayan. Karen, alam mo dito yung ano, no? Yung ano na kay ituro mo. Ituro mo yung ating nila sa akin. Ito kay ano, Karen, yung mag-makeup mo dito sa ano. Ito yung pala. Ito. Alam mo.
Guys, I cannot. I'm wasting space storage, so I'm gonna continue this episode of part 2. Bye, guys.